Good morning, friends. Today we will make egg breakfast with tomato, onions, and I have 3 boiled eggs. So let's start. So I have added oil in the pan. Now first of all I will add the onions. Okay. Now I will fry this onion for at least 5 to 10 minutes. At least they become little soft. So you can see our onion is little fried already. No need to fry too much brown. So now I will add a tomato inside and we'll fry it again. Now you will add salt, close to half teaspoon, and turmeric, half teaspoon, and red chili also, half teaspoon. I will mix it properly and leave it for cooking until this tomato will get soft completely inside. So you can see our sauce ready. So now we will add egg inside. I have scrambled the egg with the help of fork. 3 eggs I will add inside. Just mix them properly. Cook it on very low flame for at least 2 to 3 minutes only, and then it will be ready. So you can see our tasty and healthy breakfast is ready. So please don't forget to subscribe our page. See you in the next video.